Have you ever run out of mayonnaise? If you have, you'll be happy to know you can make it in just 2 minutes. You'll need a tall jar with a wide mouth and a hand blender. Pour light cooking oil into the jar. Any of these oils are fine to use. Don't use olive oil. It's too bitter. Add an egg, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and salt. Wait 10 seconds for it all to settle. Now it's time to mix. Plunge the blender to the bottom of the jar before you press the button to mix. Make sure the blade of the blender is centered over the egg yolk. Now you can press the button and blend. Hold the hand blender in place, keeping it at the bottom. Once the liquid is mostly emulsified, you can start lifting the blender up and pushing back down, like this. That way you get everything incorporated. If you find this video helpful, please click on the thumbs up for us. If the mayonnaise looks very thick, add a little bit of water at a time, checking the consistency each time you add it. Note that after you refrigerate the mayonnaise, it will become more dense. Your mayonnaise is ready. Now you don't have to go to the store. How easy was that? Your homemade mayo will last up to a week in the fridge. You may decide you should make it all the time instead of buying it. If you like this recipe, we think you'll enjoy this video too.